Hello everyone, my name is Ricardo Torres and I'm going to explain you my approach to the knives and knights puzzle. So first I state here the different variables, being that A, B and C can possibly be ornate and or innate or a knife. So I put this here. In the first puzzle we have one sentence that says that A says that he is both knight and knife. So first we have an and enclosing everything, and we have an or sentence being that A can be a knight or a knave, but we don't know which one. And also a not that is going to negate that A could possibly be both, so it's just going to be one, or a knight or a knife. So here I negate the possibility that it can be both of them. Also an implication that if A is a knight, then the sentence that we have is going to be true. So the possibility to be both has to be true if A is a knight, because the knight always says the truth. And an implication that if A is a knave, then everything that he says is false. So the possibility to be a knight and a knave is going to be negated because a knave is the one who said it. So that was my approach to the first puzzle, and the second puzzle, puzzle one, taking both possibilities. Then we have here the sentences in taking account the person A and the person B. We can see that here, and also the second puzzle with both the players A and B, and the third puzzle with A, B, and C. We see here different possibilities I have taken account. And here the logic running the different puzzles. So I'm going to run it now. Okay, so here we see that the puzzle 0, we get that A has to be a knife. The puzzle 1, I don't know if it's... Okay, the puzzle 1, A is a knife, B is a knight. Puzzle 2, A knight, B knight. Puzzle 3, A knight, B knight, and C knight. That's my approach and my results for this project. Thank you for watching.